Hello, my YouTube friends and visitors. Thanks for stopping by. Let's get right into it. We're still on Bootcamp 6. As you all know, we did just start this Bootcamp number 6, so it's going to be a minute. But just hang in there with me, okay? All right. And I'm still quoting what my coach, Misha Wilson, is saying in these boot camps and laws and has taught me. Now, we're going to go right into these boot camps and laws, and then we will end up with the Make Money Right Now slides, okay? All right. Now, you can either be an investor or a business owner of the right side of the cash flow quadrant. And since you're here listening to my voice, not Misha's voice, but my voice, and I'm guessing you don't have a ton of money to invest into the stock market to, of course, take that route, the other option is to once again become a business owner, which means you own a system. And 95% of all investors, the way they get to a point of being an investor is to be a business owner by once again owning a system. People in the world understand the 80-20 rule, and they leverage system in order to do all of the hard work for them. And you guys know that we're just picking back up on where we left off. We left off on talking about Robert Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant, and that's where we're picking back up on. The only way to create true wealth is to build or tap into a proven system. Period. End of story. The turning point in my own journey came when I paid someone to license their already tested, proven, high-ticket affiliate marketing system and began promoting it as my offer. Within a few short months, I had hit 6 figures in my business and built myself the lifestyle I had dreamed of for so long. The good news for you is that the Super Affiliate Network is that system for you, and that it's the only system of its kind that allows you to earn high-ticket commissions, residual income, and hands-free income. It's the missing ingredient from most high-ticket affiliate marketing systems or license rights programs that offer high-ticket packages for you to earn on. It's the only thing that will give you 100% true leverage. After all, what's more leverage than earning off of the hard work of 100 other people's efforts, right? Right. Again, whether it's through employees, network marketing team members, or team members that you bring into the one-of-a-kind super affiliate network ultimate lifestyle system. One of the true keys to getting over to the right side of the cash flow quadrant is to increase your levels of leverage and earn bigger commissions yourself and big commissions off of the efforts of other individuals. And that's what you're about to learn how to do here today at the Super Affiliate Network. I'm going to stop right here and let you know that now you know I'm doing Super Affiliate Network, the boot camps and laws, and the Make Money Right Now slides. So if we don't get into really the meat and potatoes of what the Super Affiliate Network is, we will continue on in the next videos, okay? Thank you. All right, we'll finish. For now, I want to circle back to the 80-20 rule, and more specifically, when we talked about the fact that 20% of your customers will always account for 80% of your profits. Now we're in to the Make Money Right Now slides. And P.S. if they are requesting money up front, they're usually scammers. So just ignore them and go right on to the next merchant, okay? All right. Now, we're going to talk about sell your cell phone, whether a new model or an old one. You can sell your cell phone. You can go for Amazon that gives gift cards for working iPhones, or websites like Dieter that give you cash for that old phone. You can sell your old snapshots. Do you have some random pictures lying somewhere or taking up computer space? Sell them on stock photo sites like Shutterstock. Sell your books. Regular books can earn you money. Stores like Half Price Books and others will give you cents to dollars for each of your current books. It saves space on your shelves for something new, and you earn a few bucks. But if you want the most cash for your books, check out getting rid of your old books using Bookscouter. Enter the ISBN of your book into Bookscouter. Bookscouter searches their database for the highest paying book buyback companies. Once you find the company offering you the most money for your books, you fill out some information, ship off your book, and get paid. Most companies offer prepaid shipping labels which save you time from having to print shipping or go to the post office. It's super easy. You can sell your smartphone photos. If you have a smartphone and a photographic eye, making money may have just gotten a lot easier. Oh yeah, you also need to access to marketable scenery. Let me say that one more time. Please forgive me. My throat is scratchy. Anyway, I'll say that one more time. Oh yeah, you also need access to marketable scenery. Okay, there's a new app called Photo that allows you to turn your smartphone photos into cash. Here's how it works. You download the free app, you sign up for an account, you take a quality photo, you upload photo to Photo's Marketplace. Someone buys the license to your photo for $10 and you make $5. If your photo sells 20 times, you make $5 each time and end up with $100 in your pocket. All for about 5 minutes of work. Pretty cool, right? Right. And share what's in your fridge. And I don't like the way that sounds, but anyway, let's just get right into it. The Nielsen Consumer Panel offers gift points to look what's in your fridge. You just have to scan barcodes of your fridge products and send it to them. Here's how it works. Each week, you scan all of your purchases and transmit the data. You may also be contacted from time to time about your opinions and to answer questions. Being a panelist takes about an hour a week. You accumulate points with each interaction and earn more points the longer you're on the panel. When you're ready, you cash these points in to get rewards. And yes, we're at the end of this video. You all know what to do. Click or copy this link. And when you copy the link, you'll open it up and learn more about the Super Affiliate Network. So you can buy it for $1 to learn more about it, right? I need you to click my subscribe button. I need you to like this video and to share it as well. Thanks for stopping by. And guess what? I'll see you on the next video. Bye.